One of the most interesting bark in the world, birch bark. Let's paint it. First, a light drawing of the tree trunk. Here the tree is leaning slightly, and I'm using my pencil to put in marks where the birch lenticels will be. You'll need mostly flat brushes and a rigger brush. And where did I put those colors? They've got to be around here somewhere. Here we go. Clean water here to wet the trunk for a wet on wet technique. I know what you're thinking, why are we painting the white birch with raw sienna? Well, even white birch has some color to it, such as a light tinge of yellowish, such as raw sienna. Now to paint the shadow side, we'll mix some burnt sienna with ultramarine blue to create a sort of grayish color. And since the light will be coming in from the left, the shadow side will be on the right side of the tree. Oh, that doesn't look good at all. Not to worry, we'll fix that with some more color. So I'm not doing anything special here. I'm just using the side of the brush as well as the paper towel to sort of create a blotted effect. And now I'm using a smaller flat brush to start adding some of the details. We really only need about 3 colors to paint this birch tree. So that's ultramarine blue, raw sienna, burnt sienna. It's really all you need. You mix them all together and create all the colors that you need for this. Now, if you recall, a white birch has these black bits and they're called lenticels. So here I'm just using a smaller flat brush to create these unique markings that white birch are so well known for. Not much water here at all, just kind of using the brush on its side. And when I look at this, it's still very two-tonal. There's a third tone that's really kind of missing here, and that is when I'm painting it now with a bit of burnt sienna to kind of tie the whole thing together. And lastly, I'm going to use a rigger brush to paint in the lenticels going horizontally across the tree trunk. The less fussy we are with this and quicker the brush stroke, the better it'll look. There, I think that looks like a birch. Now, more darks for even greater contrast. And finally, to keep this trunk from floating in space, we'll imagine that maybe this is winter time and that the tree is growing in a forest somewhere that's covered with snow. So we're just going to add some texture to the snow here. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.